Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So in this video I am here with the new P2P investment website script. So if you want to buy this script, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp link is in description. And if you need this complete website, we also provide complete websites with domain name and hosting. So in this video, I will give you the complete demo overview of this website and its admin panel, and we will see how we can control this complete website through admin panel. So you can see this website is hosted over my subdomain demo5.scriptsmasher.in, and if you buy this from us, the advantage you will get is we will give you free installation if you have domain name and hosting. And so if you want to buy this script, you can buy it easily from our website. First of all, you have to contact us on WhatsApp through a given link in the description, and we will give you our website link. So this is our website. You can easily buy this script from our website. So here you can see this script, and you can easily buy in any currency from the world. You can also use crypto or credit debit card to pay. So you can buy this script, and if you need any other script, you can buy every script from our website. So lot of investment, trading, order grabbing and MLM scripts are available on our website. So you just have to click on browse all and you can browse all the script. So let's start our video. So first of all, you can see the amazing homepage of this website script. When we scroll down low, here you can completely control this website from admin panel. So this is completely changeable, and here is a plan section. You can insert plan in multiple languages. So here you can see one plan is in INR and the other plan is in USDT. Similarly, you can contain any plan in any other language. So user can easily invest in these plans. So here you can see that here is the FAQ section, here are the client overview, and this is the footer section. You can completely change this logo, any detail that is on site from admin panel. And if user want to visit these pages separately, user can also visit these pages separately. For example, if I click on about, it will redirect me to the about section. So here you can see that this is the about section. Now let's log into the user panel and see how its user panel will looks like. So when I click on login, it will redirect me to a login page. So this is the login page. So if you don't have an account, you must have to register on this site. So I don't have an account, so I will register on this site. I will click on register now. Here I have to give my username. So I will give my username. Here I have to enter my email, and after entering my email, here I have to select my country, and I can select any country here I want, and here I have to enter mobile number. Now I am entering my demo details, but you have to enter your correct details. So I will enter the confirm password. After that, I will click on I agree with policy, and when you click on register, it will redirect you to the other page. So here you can see that it is asking me to verify my email, and I will enter my email code that has come to my email, and after that it will create my account. So now after entering email code, here I have to enter my first name. So I am entering my random first name. Here I have to enter my last name. Here I have to enter my address. So I am just entering random details just to show you that how we can create account over this. So when I click on submit, it will redirect me to my user panel. So this is my amazing user panel of this website. So here you can see that this is your referral link. You can refer to any person you want. Here you can see the total investment, your total withdraw, total referral user, total transactions, and there is a main thing. So here when we click on invest now, you can easily invest in the plans that are on your website. So here you can see that one plan is on USDT and the other is in INR, and you can easily activate the plans, or you can go to the website homepage and invest in these plans. Here you can see that you can easily withdraw your money from this website. So it is a very simple procedure to withdraw money, and here you can easily see your withdraw information, and here you can see your transaction logs. So we have just created the account, so account is just empty now, but when we will deposit money and investment plans, it will looks like a professional. So when we click on referred user, it will show you the referred users. So we have just created account, so there is no referred user. So here you can see your referral commission, withdrawals. Here you can communicate with admin using support option, and here is the account activation option. So here you can activate your account and invest in different plans. So now here you can see that there is account information option, and you can deal with your account. You can change your profile settings, you can change your password, you can enable, disable two-factor authentication, and you can log out. So now I am logging out from this website, so I will click on log out, and now we will log into our admin panel of this website. So here you have to type /admin, and it will redirect you to your admin panel login page. So here you have to enter your admin details. After entering admin details, click on login, and it will log you in to your admin panel. So here you can see our amazing admin panel, and here you can change the admin details from here. From first of all, you can see total users, active users, and all the details that are on your site you can see right here. So it is completely manageable and it is very easy to use. So here you can see that we can manage users from here. So here when you click on active user, you can manage the active users on the website. So when I click on details, here you can add, subtract balance to user account. You can log in as a user as well. So when I click on manage currencies, you can manage the currencies. You can insert multiple currencies on this website. From investment plans, you can create as many as investment plans you want on this website by filling these simple details. So from make eligible, here you can see, you can select user, you can enter username and make it eligible for different plans. So when I click on investment, here you can see all the investments that are on your site. So currently website is newly created, so there is no investment yet. So here you can manage the withdrawals related activities from here. You can approve withdrawals, you can reject them from here. Here is a manage payment. You can manage all the payment options from here. So when I click on support ticket, admin can view the user support tickets and communicate with user and resolve the issues of user. So here you can see all the reports. When I click on general settings, here you can see all the general settings of the website. So you can change the site title, site time zone, site color base and other things from here. From system configuration, you can turn on off multiple settings of the website. So here you can see that you can turn on off main settings of website from here. From referral setting, you can set up different levels of referrals. From logo and favicon, you can update the logo and favicon of this website. From extension, you can insert external extensions on this website. From language, you can insert multiple language or any local language from that you want to insert. From SEO manager, you can manage the SEO. From KYC, you can manage KYC. From notifications, you can manage the email, SMS and other settings of notifications. So when I click on manage pages, you can manage all the pages on the website from here. So here you can see that all the manage pages options, and from manage section, you can manage all the sections that are on your site. For example, if I click on about us section, here you can manage all the about section from here, and you can update it easily and you can change images. Similarly, you can edit all the sections that are on your website. So viewers, here you can see that I have given you a complete overview of this site. Now if you want to buy this script or you want to buy this website, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. We will provide you this script, and the installation of script will be free if you have domain name and hosting. So if you want us to build the complete website for you with domain name and hosting, we will also build that site for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel Script Smasher.